Well, guys, this is exactly what we were talking about yesterday. Overseas money stepping in, pushing price back up after a little bit of fear and capitulation over the course of the weekend. And something so big has been set in motion that now I think it's too big to stop. And this may be where we actually start to take our next big leg in crypto. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So this is why approaching these things with a calm, cool, level head is in fact so important, because when you least expect it, the market can start to take some of its leg back. And that's exactly what we've seen over the late hours of the evening. ADA climbed back above $1. It's sitting at $1.04 right now. It did get up to like $1.06, $1.08. I saw that at $1.06 this morning. So looking pretty good. And BTC looks like it is loading up to take its next leg. So everything across the crypto market has recovered in a nice way. Ethereum back above 34. Most assets at least pretty close to where they were before we got into the weekend and started to see some retracement. So that's a really good sign. And what I found was really interesting here is BTC dominance looks like it's about to drop. All right. And this is what we've been talking about time and time again. We're talking about alt season. Okay. I said that I'd love to see a lower high here. I'd love to see us get rejected by this trend. That's exactly what happened. And you guys can see we are in fact getting pushed down. There's no buy zone there. So this isn't even overextension in terms of BTC dominance. So we may actually set a lower low here, which would be a big deal. And actually, if we breach down below kind of this 58.5% level, that's a very, very big deal. And right now, what's really good about this and what I'm really liking that I'm seeing is at the same time, we're seeing the global market cap of crypto on the climb, right? You see we're now in a higher point in this daily candle than we were at the close on Saturday, but yet USDT dominance is at about that same time as well. All right. So why I'm saying this is important, and I'm sorry, that was actually Friday. Gosh, these days are blending together. So we're at a higher point in terms of the overall market cap of crypto, but we're at an equal point of BTC dominance. And what that's telling you guys is that outside capital is starting to flow into the space. Okay. This is a very big point because this is what leads us to alt season. When you start to see some assets begin to climb, for example, most alts have recovered to that point they were a couple days ago. BTC, not quite there yet. All right. So you're starting to see some of that capital shift to altcoins. Very big deal. What I want to show as well is we're still at this insane level of search volume in terms of crypto. Okay. I made a tweet about this, but I've been reached out to a few people that I grew up with asking about crypto. And some people have been here for a while. They've been in the space monitoring things for quite some time, but some of them are new. Some of them have never been in before. And that shows you is we're getting back into the time where we see adoption taking place, where we see that uptick in retail activity. And that's a very important point for this next leg, because that's what leads us to these surges to news cycle highs, higher prices, pushing towards all-time highs, right? Whales still on the buy, institutional money, probably going to be a good weekend. We'll see what happens. It's kind of tricky with the holiday. You never really know what the week of Thanksgiving is going to bring. And again, my long positions are still open. Again, didn't freak out. Climbed about 200% in the last day, looking really good there. And again, if you guys want to check out Margex or use leverage, feel free to check that out in the description below. You can earn up to $10,000 in deposit bonuses. There's no KYC. So feel free to check that out. But the point I want to make, guys, is even if we decide to kind of chop over the course of this week, that's what we did last market cycle, there is going to be a point here where we start to make some major ground again. Retail is coming back in a big way. We're feeling the pressure, and it wouldn't surprise me if we do get some buying from institutional money pushing BTC back towards 100K. You really see that spark of excitement again, and you start seeing assets run wild. So again, make sure your positions are set. Make sure you've accumulated what you need to do. Again, this isn't financial advice. You guys can do what you want, but right now, this ball of alt season, this ball of mass adoption has in fact been set in motion. And the crazy thing about it is it's going to move faster the further it gets down the hill. So appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts about this, but I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.